Right, this is the same hardwood log from before. I had to resharpen the chain because I used it the other day trying to tune it up and I wasn't happy. It turned out the spring that controls the sharpener, it broke, so I nearly burnt the motor out. I'm waiting for parts for that. So I borrowed my mate's to sharpen. He's got the old-fashioned aluminium oxide wheel. It seems to cut it right though, not as good as I was hoping. I just done a video on softwood, you probably watched that, but this is original hard log, so we'll see if she goes to this. It's got 23.5 degrees blowdown now. Probably, yeah, 23.5 average. Before it was 22, so we'll see how she goes because I wasn't happy before. Anyway, still got tuned for it. Tune tool, might have to tune still. But it did go good and softwood. Right, I have to run this out of fuel, drain the tank, drain the petrol, drain the oil, have to ink it, have to let it cool down, have to clean it. It's probably this afternoon we go to the post, so it's Monday morning in Australia, so being in America I suppose 10 days or something like that, 10, 12 days. But I'll do my best to get it in the mail today. But it runs pretty good. That's Australian black pulp. If you look it up, it is hard stuff, especially when it's seasoned. So it's cutting pretty good. So I'll re-sharpen this chain. I'll throw this in the box. Hopefully it doesn't cost me no more, because when you start seeing things overseas, weights mean everything. Alright, Warren, this one's for you, bud. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for playing with the giveaways game.